See that, peeps? Seaweed. Last kick in a bag. So this is how it looks. So yeah. So yeah man, sweet pure one. As I say, Knoxford car park, that's one building demolished. How they are driving institute, we can learn to drive. See there. See? This is how I go on. You see me? That's what I can give you anytime. The Father God, just hold your hand. Just hold your hand, Father God. This is how it looks. Only for debris. Oh, alright peeps, so we get closure there now. See the wall of yours are gone, bus wreck and all of that. Then current cut. Well, they want me about the debris there when they sit there and flick, so look across at the general. Sorry, the joke, listen. They want me about the debris there, mate.
What's up my beautiful people from the YouTube world? Welcome back to the vlogs. And right now my people, right now, you see the topic already we come to talk about, say yo, don't buy no Seafront and boom boom boom. But right now I just want to thank everybody first who's been liking, been sharing up the content, been subscribing, and been with us from day one, from the house project journey till right now. A lot of you guys keep asking me when I get some more house project video. Like I say, we have to go back a yard just now. So we are waiting for the winter season for over with this contract we have. So we can go back in our place and get some work done. You understand? So we can show you what I go on. You see my people, because can't just give up the job when we know so we still need a look of dividends to even finish it up or have extra money, can even buy a piece of tile or something like that a yard. Right? But right now people, today we at Parkway Mall. Alright? We at Parkway Mall today with people. I mean I say, we just want to go on a video, walk through this mall also, while we are talking about the sea level issue and what take place with these seafront lands, you understand? So this is the entrance of this mall. When you go in, they have a cabbies right here, you know, your breakfast. And people, like I said, I do these videos for people who are not here, or they move away from Toronto from a long time and move some go to Canada. So I always try to just show, you know, the different malls and the places them. A lot of people, the areas, a lot of even Jamaican people them used to live. You understand? So them have a map that no, them not really too much stuff in here, you know, my people. It's a look a bit of boring type of mall, but me just want to still show the other people them out there how this area kept up and look, cause a lot of people like the last video I put out, because them say a long time they don't see them area there, you know. Some people say them even want me to show the Brampton here region, but can't really go to Brampton, you know, people, because the distance for drive go to Brampton and Mississauga sometimes is just so heartbreaking, and the traffic. So that's why a lot of people always ask me, how come you know do the the west side them malls and the areas in the west is because it's too far. But I try, I go to the downtown one them because I could just jump on a bus and jump on the train, and downtown is just right there, so it's easier for me, right? But this mall is more like Cedar Mall. It's very small, and yeah, them have around the same type of store them, but it's not a big mall like that or anything. Pretty girl, damn, she's a Barbie type of girl too. Sheesh. But yeah, let's go and walk it out and talk. No people, so now they pack on the do not buy in the land, the seafront land name, right? Because you know people, because when me go to Jamaica, you know, kill you dead. Nobody could have tell me twice. All me depend, I want to buy a seafront land, I want to buy a seafront land, I want to buy a seafront land. Nobody could have tell me otherwise. I say, yo, seafront land them, yes, they're a little bit more expensive, one, but they're more a better value, right? Because when you do like Airbnb and stuff like that, you want a seafront property, because it's easier for more sell. You understand? It's a easier property for more sell. So I say me want seafront property, you know. One second, my peeps. Yeah, so I say me want seafront property too. At the end of the day. Yes, well, people, don't look too shabby today, you know. Come out now with a Jamaican pace, you see. No joke. So I say, yeah man, I want a seafront property land too, where I can vibe out with, right? Then now, boom. Look what happened over there up here on Namibia. Look what happened at Ocherius over Margaritaville. Look what happened at St. Mary. Right? Look what happened on the other part them over there in Jamaica. The whole coast out up here and the whole tractor trailer, buses. You see villas gone. Seafront hotel and apartment, everything gone, knocked down. Millions of US dollar loss. But them always say a wise man build him house on a rock. A stupid man build him house right by the sun. You understand? So, like Father God that talk to me. That's why we couldn't afford the seafront land. You understand? And the developers them out there wanna take heed, or even the people them over here, and I try to go back a yard to buy a piece of land. Hopefully you can see what took place in my people. I'm gonna put it in a video, start in a video too, you know, and put some over in a video them when we are talking, you know. People, just take heed of what really is going on. You see, it's coming back for its motherland. You understand? And it take course fast. And some of these people, yo, them build them house so close to the water, like a walking distant vibe. Like you look through the window, you can probably look at the snow, the salt water right by your window. Yeah, no joke. Some of these people's houses are so close to the water. So when the water come in, I see the sea take people. I see the sea lit down. Couple houses in a Cayman. Well, people them just finish up them nice property. You know how hard that is? You just finish up your nice property. You spend $1 million US to fix up, because it's like a complex. The dog them in that bill, you know. And the dog fix up your nice property, you know, bro. And a washing machine that fly out through the place and stuff like that, because boom, the whole sea come in. See the story, my people. The story always have some cheap things, you know. I'm gonna show you in quick time. So it's called home hardware, right? But this home hardware right here, some people, they always have stuffs on sale. No matter what, they always have a lot of stuff on sale. Always. So if you're a chocolate lover and candy lover, right here is the place to be, people. I don't always have everything on sale. That's why I'm really come over here now. Because I go back to some of the hoods them people, to show you guys back some of the ghettos and stuff, right? But me I say, you know what? I always want, I come to the mall a couple days ago, you know. But I need to feel too right to do any vlogging. Because I just have to take off a couple more days off of vlogging again. But people, I try my best to be consistent with this vlogging thing. But more time, you have to just, my video them different, right? So I have to have the right topic them. And sometimes not even the right topic them. I just go make video from what me want to make off of my mindset. But yeah, this place always have cheap stuff. Look at them price if I look on some socks and stuff from the regular prices to the price they have now. You understand? Look at nail polish things them and stuff like that. Nail stuff like 59 cents. You know what I mean? Like people them always have like stuff I sell. Look at books them for 69 cents. You know? Maps and stuff. It's like you can furnish out the entire house just from this little store right here. So you know. Yeah man. Like I say, I live in Canada and my people. I don't have no problem to fix up a nice house over here. Because the material, the thing them over here is a lot cheaper. And they look more like fancy. But I would say a lot fancy because right now, Active I give a lot of these foreign country a run for their money. But Active price, I give you a run for your money. Watch out, $10. Who did them you know? $10 and an idiot quality one them too. See, and an idiot quality. These look like good qualities too. Yeah. Russell authentic. Yeah, and I the cheap quality. Quality not feel too bad. No joke. See some of them things I don't have to buy up now for the whole my yard. But them Amazon and them cheaper, you know. It's like a nightstand type of vibe type of stuff them. Yeah man. Look at nightstand. Let me see if we have any more. No man, but we know so we have to go send off a barrel very soon. So I always just come and look to see what we can buy for put in it where it will be cheaper over here. But then again the people are always about the shipping costs, you know. And when we are clear them, you know, so I don't really want to buy up too much stuff for send off go to Jamaica because you go feel it when you have to go do custom and clearing and stuff like that. You understand? So I don't really want to put myself in a them position there and them situation there. And I know so a lot of people overseas know what I talk about because you go off and your head will just start licking your man because you hear this fee, that fee, this fee. When you're done here for your next fee on the fee where you have to pay the fee. So you just have to cry for all of them fees here. Yeah man, you have to ball man. You have to cry. But just like the people them who go build them house on the seafront property. Them a cry right now. Yeah. So people over there who are think about to invest on a building or so you know what want to invest on a seafront property or you want to invest on a property too at the end of the day and you try to think the right way how to do it, please don't invest on a seafront property. And if you do, remember you can invest on a sea view property but not a seafront property because you don't want, like I see how some people like me I watch all the next YouTuber and them a drive through the area them. Where YouTuber them? Because I have to shout out them people, you know, because them do good work. Red button and the white guy and his wife who drove around the different community areas them are show off the nice house them are just houses in general. Yeah man. Go and check out the YouTuber there because him show a lot of the place them in Jamaica. Just drive around and show them. So if you're interested in that type of content there, me interested in that, that's why me subscribe and watch it, you understand? Me drive around. Me do some of them things now me there at Jamaica too, you know, me drive around to different neighborhoods too, you know, cause that's the vibe. Right? So just that come and hear people just with reason, you know. Me I go back in the car and go sit down now because this mall, like I said, it's not a big mall. So that was it from the mall. Outside is a lot more bigger than what them have to offer at the end of the day. Yeah man, because there's a lot more now food place start up over here. You have them have McDonald's over here, them have LCB over here. Yeah, my little pretty friends. They have some pretty girls over here too. Right, them have some Popeyes over here. I think that's a jerk chicken spot, Jamaican spot or Indian spot, I believe that is. Metro, Healthy Planet, a TD Bank. I know them have a Wild Wings over here too. So the place developed across the road. They have a beer store, Subway is still there, Tim Hortons there, and everything is still here. So me just see that try to show one of the area and the mall at the end of the day. So anybody who wants to see the area again, now want to see it. If you don't have a next area on the east side, I think the next video I'm going to do like this, the next mall video. I think I'm going to do 2 more mall video on the east side and then that's it. Because the next one I really want to do, we'll go over Malvern Town Center before they demolish it. Because I know a lot of Jamaican people used to live in Malvern. So we have to go to Malvern before them go knock it down. See you at G and Finch in our west. Because they're going to knock down Jane and Finch Mall also. And they're going to put up a big condominium. And I really want that videotape before they're going to take it down, because that a lot of people history but used to come, a lot of Jamaicans used to come and them live in the west side over them area there over Jane and Finch, because Jane and Finch area used to be a lot more black people or so-called Jamaican people. Them say was a lot more African and Jamaican people live over the area there. Or they want the Caribbean people. But yeah, people, just want to again, everybody just like, share, subscribe to the channel. Let me know which other content you don't want to see, which other place, right? And we just talk again, you understand? Because I just say, oh, please don't build your house. You know much nice property there at Jamaica, my people, where you don't have to buy a seafront property no more. I think yesterday we look at the next video. And the way these guys build their house, more on a cliff. You know, not even that, you know. I was watching Colors TV. And I'm up on Ground God Place. Yeah. Sorry, my people. I'm up on that female place, right? And you see that view. You see the view, my people. I remember, you know, mountain views are cheaper than in city view, in city land buying. 1, 2, cheaper than beachfront properties. I remember in a beachfront property, you know, if the bar in or cage in or whatever, if you block off the water, because they have to go put up some big stone all in the downtown soon, you know. Yeah, man, because them build all the ROK hotels so close to the waterfront and everything. We're down on the waterfront. You see you come, if that did happen to Kingston not mash up right now. What you say happen over Pier 1? Kingston, I say Kingston would be mashed up right now with all them beachfront stuff there. You understand? Them will be like a new project out of St. Thomas. Right? So hopefully them learn from what the Cayman's people them go through just now and what happened over Margaritaville and what happened over the next property them in a Negril. The whole 7 Mile beach coast get hit hard. See our next bridge in show me our next part in a White House over St. Mary or St. Ann area. The Ochi side. The whole of the seafront come in and about 10 or 12 boats. I mean I thought these massive boats, you know. Get rid of me, my people. Millions. You think you can buy a boat like that, my people? I mean I talk no small local boat. I talk like a big boats. Working vessel type of boats. Or you have a next jacu, whatever yachts them. And imagine your yacht go get mashed up. Jaja, man. Me always want a boat in my life, you know. A nice little small yacht. But me have that at Jamaica, me have to take it out of the water. Because I now make it park up in no water or no seafront part, because me no want to go through this headache. After me spend so much money, if you go lose it, no man. We can't be doing that, my people. So if anybody want to just hear a J, have to say 416 bars, have to say at the end of the day. When you just show a friend them the video, yeah, man, I make them know. Make them know, man. Say, nobody invest on the seafront property there no more. Because it going to get taken away. Probably not today, and probably not tomorrow. But probably one day when you see Europe again. And look like they see they go Europe again. You understand? Because so much bad things are going on that local island. They see the Father God must have I got try to wash it out now, man. Place need to get a nice cleansing, man. But the place them do them cleanse. I know them place them want to cleanse. Want to cleanse out all of the bad mind ghetto people them. And when I say bad mind ghetto people them, I not say people who live in the ghetto, because people who live in the ghetto, majority of them no bad mind. Majority of them just try to make it in a life. So now them, you can have people who live uptown and them spend their money in a ghetto them and I build more crime over there. So I better get that too. So now like the ghetto people, me live in a ghetto for the rest of all of my life. At Jamaica, we never bad. My family never bad. Never pick up a gun in our life. So what am I gonna say about that now? Because I say the mindset the Father God need to wash out Jamaica mindset so people can start focus back on good things. But people now hold up the video here, you know. I just want to come on with a talk about that, and I want to show this area. So I just want to say bless upon yourself to each and everybody. Like, share, subscribe. Soon get our next video. I'm out.